Gates open, they're up and racing. Cat's Diamond, Lady Wants to Know is on the outside. Jacqueline's Diamond, then comes Game Changer. Yes, 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 together with King Rick, then followed by My Wife Knows All. About to pass the 800 meters post. Two runners are fighting it out for the lead. Cat's Diamond being joined by Lady Wants to Know on the outside. Yes, 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 moving up to take third. Game Changer, King Rick, Jacqueline's Diamond, and a long way back to My Wife Knows All as they race at the last 450. Cat's Diamond just in front. Yes, yes, yes. Now about to throw the challenge on the outside as they turn for home. Cat's Diamond back to a length and a half lead. Yes, yes, yes. It's on the outside. Moving up by the rail. Game Changer, King Rick in between runners. Lady Wants to Know with 100 to go. Yes, yes, yes. Now the leader by our length, followed by Cat's Diamond. And finally, yes, yes, yes. Cat's Diamond, then comes Lady Wants to Know, King Rick, Game Changer, My Wife Knows All, and number 2, Jacqueline's